Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. This is Morning Exposition 76, and your original conductor still remains Emmanuel Juice Mouth. Should in case you are listening to me, share this very program, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to this very platform, hit the subscription button. And if you wish to support me based on this very platform, you can give me super chats. Many of you waited for me yesterday. I was on transit yesterday. I was on transit. I passed through many places yesterday, and the reason why I couldn't broadcast very early is because I'm looking for a perfect background to do my broadcast. Oh yeah, let us move. There is no time, please. Uh, it have come. It have reached. Obidogo. I told you people that when I start listening to words that looks like betrayal of DDoS, I will know that all of you, already I know that all of you are sellouts. Do you now know what is happening? These criminals who have collected our money and sold out the struggle, those criminals who are part and parcel of what is happening to Mazen Nnamdi and Mazen Simon Ekpa, especially Mazi Simon Ekpa, they are now saying, oh, call Dr. Ngozi Orabueze to come and fight. When you people have boasted before us that you have Butuzo is with you, all the commanders are with you, this and that. Now Fulani are killing our people, you cannot stop it, which means you have no men. Now let me tell you, something that have not been happening before when Obatobie was around. I told you people that when all these senior criminals sell out the camps, they will be selling their boys one after the other, because when they collect the big money, they cannot go to their boys and say, oh, we are no longer doing the freedom again. Their boys will cut gun and fire them. So they will use Benjamin Madbugu method. Once you go to a camp, you sell it out, you betray them. Then they will begin to pick them one after the other. That is what is happening now. Now, the question that you must continue to ask the criminal who posed as Commander Rolz, whereas his name is Akpakarawa, the question that you must ask that person is that upon all the boasts that you have boasted, they are now coming into your stronghold to kill people. Upon all the boasts that your people have boasted, you said, oh, Dr. Ngozi is a nobody, that you are Nkeres command the men, and the donation of the men on the ground. So all those money that was donated was in vain. When I say this, people do not understand me. Go to Biafra land now, see picking of people. It's at the high. Many of you may not know the reason why I am speaking up. Many of you may not know. But I pray that they do not pick you up, so that you do not join those calling me, hey, epiki na nwannem, ebuo na nwannem, checking point efuo na nwannem, nke efuo na. Many, even the people that are not into the things that Biafra agitation, they pick them up and disappear them. Their reasons are, oh, they have mark. Oh, their face look like a criminal. Their face look like those boys. Oh, their face. I wonder the kind of face that those boys are using. These are useless excuses that they use to disappear our people. Now, the question is, those of you who went to contribute money to Okengwere, ask them, what is happening upon all the men that they boasted that they left with? This was what they did to Master Simon Ekpa newly. When you box them, they will go one place, make a recording video and then post it on internet. I want you to begin to ask, where are their men on the ground? Because our people are really suffering. Our people are really being kidnapped. Our people are really being disappeared. Where are their men on the ground? Where are their men on the ground? Begin to ask a vital question now. Begin to ask a question that no one have asked. Now let me also tell you people. It is very appalling that those people who have boasted to you that they are commanders, that they hold the ground, they will buy our people. Once our people, Fulani, come and buy our people, not it, they have boasted that they are on the ground. They know all the areas. Dr. Ngozi Arabeze cannot come on the ground. This and that. This was what DOS did. They boasted. Now, when Fulani come and kill our people, they will come and be telling people like this, telling people something like this. We need to be united. We need to be united. When people are united, we can fight these people. So, are we united when you are fighting your own brothers, kidnapping your own brothers, boasting that you can buy your own brothers? Are we united? So why is it that you need unity to fight your common enemies, but you don't need unity to fight your own brother? I don't know if I'm making sense, please. We must begin to ask questions. I told all of you that Okengwere is a sellout. Go and ask him, what are you doing? Biafra is being declared. Ask the criminal boasting that he is Commander Rolz that said after the declaration of Biafra that 15 days is going to be hot. Go and ask him, where is your 15 days? Go and ask Holy Ghost upon all the nonsense that he said. Where is this thing? Our land have strikingly gone. Ask him, go na success. Na hide release the voice of Betrayal. Go and ask him upon all the boasting that they have boasted. Oh, Nkeres can protect the men on the ground and this. We agree because Nkeres is protecting them. Now what is going on? Our people. The Biafra people. Them due to what? Blood is thicker than water. The Biafra people. Those who vested their lives upon you people. You people have betrayed them. You people have sabotaged them. You people have bought them. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ okwu ma na-ebe ka ugole mmụọ. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ. These people have done bad against our own people. They have done really bad against our own people. And we really need to start asking questions. We really need to start asking questions. All front now is down. All fronts. Those places that when Obatobie was around, they are down. Some of them are saying, why can't you call your madam? You cannot blackmail Dr. Ngozi Arabeze because all of you showed us the voice of the men on the ground that they are following Nkeres, and we know what they were doing when Obatobie was around. So when they started following Nkeres, upon all the huge money, Biafra people contributed. All the money entered water. One chance. All the money entered one chance. Take one chance. And the Biafra people need to begin to ask questions. How? What? What transpired? Only then we can get hold of what is happening. What is happening to our people? We need to know. We need to know. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? Our people are being killed now like never before. The lives of our people are being lost like never before. Human beings are regarded like an animal like never before. And it is determinant on us to begin to ask vital questions that we have never asked. It is determinant on us. that we ask those people. Yesterday, I got to know something. Someone said Obatobie missed on 22. Then on 23, what are they calling it? Conflict and Resolution Committee have already opened the window for new election. I'm telling people, if you know that you want to lead Biafra, from 22, Obatobie did not wait. 23, they have open window. Already, Nkeres have submitted paper. Was the paper written before the kidnap of Obatobie or after the kidnap of Obatobie? And they are saying, oh, Dr. Ngozi started calling people on phone to stop it. Yes, she will call anybody on phone to stop that nonsense. How? Then look at the nonsense. The reason why we are looking for Obatobie is because of what he is doing. Now, when you people took over, when you did not, Obatobie did not wait on 22. Then on 23, RC have already begun the process of replacing Obatobie. Something is fishy among them. The people that made Nkeres received a letter on 23. Why Obatobie missed on 22? They received a letter on 23 and said that they will replace Obatobie on 23. Did you know where Obatobie is? Now they are, if you watch most of them, they will say, oh, madam, this is not telling you where Obatobie is, but you made the election on 23. Which means you have already concluded that Obatobie is not going to come out. That is the reason why you replace him immediately. And if you believe that he is going to come out, why did you? This one is not an allegation because it is part of you people that thought he was making a exposition against Dr. Ngozi Oraweze that opened that secret. I told you people, when you want to use somebody that is strong upstairs. That person opened the secret on 23. From 22, Obatobie miss. So, Nkeres must tell us, Nkeres and the Imam Madabo must tell us what happened to Obatobie. If you are around him, Professor Chioma Okoma, all the respect religious have been having in you is very useless. Look at your life, you are a shadow of yourself. You people must tell us what happened to Obatobie. Unazari one kind useless names. Watching you people in Finland, the man all Sabo TK. You came with propaganda. And now the secret is out that you received a letter on 23. It's no longer Dr. Ngozi making the allegation. It is you people opening the can of worm in trying to sabotage or blackmail Dr. Ngozi Oraweze. Una open una nyash. You people said that on 23 was when CRC said that anybody who wants to lead Biafra people should submit a letter. Now, the question to CRC is that Obatobie did not miss on 22. On 23, you have already opened window. And by then, Nkeres have already submitted letter. When time was he bothered about this disappearance of Mazi Simon Ekpa? If he is bothered, when time did he have to construct that letter that he sent to you people? Was he bothered about Mazi Simon Ekpa as everybody is looking for him? You, CRC, were you bothered about the disappearance of Mazi Simon Ekpa as everybody is looking for him? Then, a day later, you opened and said everybody should submit letter if you want to lead. Your people are evil. And the reason why they want to blackmail Obatobie is to bring everything down. Now go to Biafra land if you are sincere. Tell yourself the truth. Hope under the US. Don't worry, we are waiting for something. O nwere ihe anyị na-eche, anyị bulata ngwa ọgụ a, ha yi emezu atọ nọ ya upside down. Boys nọ na-eche, a na-ejide ha one after the other. Ihe ọjọọ na-atọ ọchị ọ naghị atọ m ọchị. Boys nọ na-eche, a na-ejide ha one after the other. Ịnọgide kulie ume elu si nna aghọtazi m amụrụ gị gaa DSS sị gị kọwaa ihe a na ego terrorist. From there you move ono like play. Ị na-eche na ị na-alọghachi, ọga eburu gị bufee gị ka ihe a Zamfara prison. Eburu gị bufee gị Zamfara. Eburu gị bufee gị far north. You are no longer coming back. Ụmụ be anyị juru in the northern prisons are many. IPOB members in the northern prisons are many. The same thing is happening before you, and you don't want to ask questions. You don't want to ask. Shame on you. From me, from here. I will continue to ask. I am a man, Jews. One of it very kind. One spectacular thing in my life is that I have never killed anyone in my life. I am not sure. But guess what? You do not fight me and go free. The practice that I practice is very, very strong. I don't kill. I'm wouldn't order to kill. But guess what? If you want to buy me, I will only call Elohim Chukwu Okukabian and commit you into that. And only then will determine if you are going to go free. I heard that Ara Chone Povam Vagi. I heard that Ubenara Achone Poya. I heard that. If you do not know that those who are on top, those who we are claiming, oh, we are on top, have surrendered. Those who Nkeres led have surrendered. Go and ask them. All those noise you wanna make. Oh, we are as it happened during the OS. You people are not reasoning. Oh, we are with all the men on the ground. Then all the men on the ground, we are not doing anything. Our people, we are being kidnapped, houses being burnt. All the men on the ground, we are not doing anything. Checking point, people disappear. All the men on the ground, we are not doing anything. This is the second time. Oh, we are with men on the ground. Oh, they want to defund men on the ground. Now go and ask them, where is your men on the ground? All those funding and noise that you people make, men collecting money from people, where are they? I love the way that Dr. Ngozi Arabueze wants to do it. Let every man, nobody should collect any money from men on the ground anymore. It goes direct to whomsoever, all the personnel. It goes direct to them. Nobody will say, oh, I am holding the money for any personnel. All the money goes to the direct to every personnel. Salute you for that. And at the appointed time, Biafra will be free. We have come and we have crossed the Rubicon, point of no return. You have not stopped. Fulani have come into your enclave, killed your men and women. When I look at the child, especially those little ones, I wonder what life is turning about. People will carry gun, people will carry machete, go into places and then begin to kill innocent people. It's very, very appalling. Very, very bad that you carry a gun, you carry a machete, goes into places and begin to kill innocent people. Very, very bad, please.